The volume of a sphere is given by the formula V is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. If I'd like to make r the subject of that formula, I have to rearrange this. The first thing I want to do is get rid of the numbers at the front. So I'm going to multiply by 3 to cancel that 3. At the same time, I will divide by 4 to cancel that 4 there. And I might as well, while I'm doing it, divide by pi to cancel that number there. Remember, pi is just a number like any other number. It's a strange number, but it behaves the same way. So I'm multiplying the right-hand side by 3 divided by 4 pi. I must therefore do the same thing to the left-hand side. Multiply by 3 divided by 4 pi. On the right, the 3 cancels, the 4 cancels, and the pi cancels. And so the right-hand side has been reduced simply to r cubed. The left-hand side is 3 times v over 4 times pi. Finally, to get r as the subject of the formula, I need to remove the cubing, and the opposite thing to cubing is cubed rooting. So I want to do the cubed root. Remember, the symbol for a cubed root looks just like a square root, but with a tiny superscript 3. That's cubed root. Whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must do the same thing to the other side to maintain the equal sign. The right-hand side is now simply r, and the left-hand side is the cubed root of 3v over 4 pi. Finally, because I prefer to have the subject of the formula on the left, I'll write this in reverse order. So that's r equals the cubed root of 3v over 4 pi. So r is the cubed root of 3v over 4 pi. To get a cubed root, you'll notice there's a dedicated cubed root button over the square root button. So we hit Shift first and then the square root button, which gives us cubed root. Inside that cubed root we need a fraction. The top of that fraction is 3 times v, so that's 3 times 100. And the bottom denominator is 4 pi. So that's 4, and we need the Shift button to get the pi. We hit equals to evaluate, and to 3 significant figures, that becomes 2.88 centimetres.